I've been busy this month working on a number of projects, making a baby quilt for my daughter, some burp claws, and I've been working on a number of other small projects, trying to get things finished for other people. And my studio and study, since it's all in one, is looking a little bit overwhelming. So today I'm going to be cleaning up and trying to get things back on track. It's been a busy couple of months. So I went to the O'Fallon Crazy Quilt Retreat back in the beginning of July, and since then the things that I've worked on in here were things that I couldn't share for a time because they were nearly all gifts. I made some cute painting aprons and little bags to carry their art supplies in for my two granddaughters that just turned 3 years old, one in August and one in September, and they came out really cute. And then I made a baby quilt for my daughter who's expecting in a month. I've got the quilt here because we didn't know what they were going to name him, but they've chosen a name, so she handed it back to me so I can embroider his name on it. But I don't know if you can see, but it's got the cutest bunny rabbit fabric, and as many of you know, especially if you've read my blog for a while, I'm pretty partial to bunnies. So I had a lot of fun, and I actually picked up the fabric for this when I was on the way to the O'Fallon Crazy Quilt Retreat. I like to stop and stretch my legs periodically when I'm driving, so I stop at quilt shops along the way, and it was fun because at every quilt shop I went to, it seemed like they had a little bit different pattern in the same line of fabric, and so I picked it up all the way across Kansas and Missouri, and had enough to put something together for her. I also made her a whole assortment of burp claws out of flannel and terry cloth. Those came out really cute. Seems like I've done a whole bunch of other things as well, but it's just kind of been catch as catch can. And then in the midst of all of that, I came down with a pretty bad cold and then developed bronchitis. So I spent the majority of the month of August and September sick from that. I've also had some other health issues, and I've been trying to change my diet. I went on a completely no allergy diet for 2 months, and then I'm gradually adding foods back in. But I discovered that when you can't buy pre-made food, I spent a lot of time cooking that I wasn't used to. So that took a lot of time. So I've done very little handwork. I haven't been in here at all. In fact, my calendars are all still set to August, and we're really on the verge of October already. So I'm hoping to get back to doing more videos on a more consistent basis here. I do have a couple that I want to finish up about to the Crazy Quilt project that I did. I did lose a bunch of footage, and as I've tried to piece some together, I realized some of it's simply not going to work. So I will probably have one video kind of running through some basics of some things that I did, but it won't be the detailed work. And then I do have enough photos and some footage so we can take a look at all the other beautiful Crazy Quilt Challenge projects that were done for the retreat back in April that I went to in Windsor, Connecticut. It was so much fun, and I actually swapped my project with Nikki Seavey, and she made a beautiful lampshade, so I can't wait to show you that and where I've put it in my bedroom. So I'm finally actually just putting away from those 2 retreats and the show and tell that I had packaged up. I'd never gotten them hung back up, so I've done all of that. Got most of my stuff cleaned up. I have a little bit more to go. I've been making a list of my projects, and I have a lot of fun things to work with that I hope to show you here in the near future. I hope to be sharing a lot more of supplies and things in the future. And if you have something you would really like for me to show you how to do, let me know what those are in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I really enjoy your support, and I'm so grateful for all of the subscriptions to my channel and also for the thumbs up, which really do help a great deal. I think I'm going to call it quits on this one for now. So anyway, thanks for sticking with me. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I need to finish up and get some projects going, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Have fun stitching. We'll see you later.